morning, everyone. I'm obviously not camping today. I'm actually heading to the airport. I have a presentation to give at a university in the state of Maine, and I thought I'd take you with me. I don't know what we'll see. We don't have a lot of time. I'm just going to be there for a few days, but I've arranged it for the last day. It's all about us. So, we're on our way to the airport. It is 2:55 in the morning. I have a 4:30 flight that goes to DFW, then to Reagan, and then we'll finally end up in Bangor, Maine about 4 o'clock this evening. I'm so glad you get to go along with me. Thanks for that. This is going to be a blast. Okay, let me find the light here. Yeah, we made it. I'm in Bangor, Maine right now. I still have a couple hour drive. I'm headed towards Fort Kent, Maine, which is right along the Canadian border. I tell you what, I'm going to concentrate on driving so I don't hit a moose. It's a little slick out here too. And I will check back in with you when I am done with my lecture and it's all me time. So it'll only be a second for you, but for me, it'll be another day and a half. Glad you're here with me. I am all done with my work responsibilities. I have to say, Northern Maine is filled with the most polite, honest, and open people I've ever met. I can appreciate that. If it's bad, it's bad. If it's beautiful, it's beautiful. There's no doubt for me wondering what they are thinking. And it has been a wonderful experience. I've only been in Northern Maine, specifically in Fort Kent, just for about, 36 hours or so. I did my lecture, it went wonderfully, and now I'm headed back to Bangor. But guess what? It snowed. Shocker, I know. I'm in Northern Maine, and it snowed. Exactly what I hoped that would happen. I wanted it to snow. Maybe, it's one of those things that be careful. You might get what you wish for because it's snowing. And a little side note. I missed it on video. But I saw students driving to school on their snow machines. They even have a little lot for them. How cool is that? Oh, my goal on the way back to Bangor is to take my time. It's just a 2-lane highway for much of the trip. And not hit a moose. There are moose warning signs every few miles. I take those seriously, and the locals say, yeah, you may not even want to go the speed limit. They don't. And when a local tells you they don't drive the speed limit because they fear hitting a moose, that's wise advice, and you'd be wise to adhere to that. And so I'm going to adhere to that. But I arrived here in the dark. I don't know exactly what we're going to see. I imagine it's going to be beautiful. If I see something really beautiful, I'll stop and record it if it's safe. I'm going to record much of the driving forward. So let's get some gas, enough chit chat. Let's get some gas and see some beautiful things. And yeah, experience Maine for a little bit before I have to head back. Let's go. Looks yummy, huh? I deserve this. That was a long, long drive. It's so yummy.